Luke, congratulations to the dazzling winners of the Resort Wear Prime at Miss Eco International 2024. This queen brought the heat with her style and grace. Let's celebrate their stunning achievements. And without further ado, here is the recap of the lucky winners' performances. Now let's start with the second runner-up goes to Miss Eco Venezuela, and here is her performance.
Miss Eco Venezuela.
And the first runner-up goes to Miss Eco Mexico. And here is her performance.
Miss Eco Mexico.
And the winner for Best in Resort Wear Prime goes to Miss Eco Ukraine. And here is her amazing performance.
Miss Ukraine.
Once again, congratulations to the winners of the Resort Wear Prime at Miss Eco International 2024. Thanks for watching!